Investing is crucial for financial security. It helps you build a safety net for the future and ensures that you can meet your long-term financial needs, such as retirement, education, or buying a home. By investing wisely, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from unexpected financial hardships. It's about growing your money over time, allowing it to compound and work for you, creating wealth and financial stability. The power of compounding can turn small, consistent investments into substantial sums over the years. But where do you want your investments to take you? What are your financial aspirations and dreams? Do you have a clear vision of your financial future and the milestones you want to achieve? That's where investment goals come in. They help you define your path and set clear targets, making your financial journey more focused. With well-defined goals, you can measure your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. They act as your financial roadmap, guiding your decisions and actions, ensuring you stay on track and avoid unnecessary detours. This roadmap helps you prioritize your investments and allocate resources effectively. Without clear goals, you risk wandering aimlessly in the investment world, unsure of your next move, and potentially making costly mistakes. Lack of direction can lead to financial stress and uncertainty. You might make impulsive decisions or chase after the latest investment fads, which can be detrimental to your financial health. These hasty choices often result in losses and missed opportunities. Setting investment goals gives you direction and purpose, helping you make informed and strategic choices, ultimately leading to financial success. With clear goals, you can navigate the investment landscape with confidence and clarity. Realistic is the key word when it comes to investment goals. Setting realistic goals is crucial for long-term success and financial stability. It's about being practical and grounded in your approach. It means setting achievable targets based on your financial situation, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Understanding these factors helps you create a solid and effective plan. This way, you can navigate the financial landscape with confidence. Don't be tempted by get-rich-quick schemes or unrealistic expectations. These can lead to disappointment and significant financial loss. It's important to stay away from promises that seem too good to be true. For example, expecting to double your money in a year might be unrealistic for most investors. Such high expectations can set you up for failure and frustration. Instead, focus on steady growth. A more realistic goal might be to aim for a 5 to 7% return annually over the long term. This approach is more sustainable and less stressful for your financial health. It allows for consistent progress. Realistic goals keep you grounded and prevent you from taking on unnecessary risks. They help you stay focused and committed to your investment strategy, ensuring a more secure financial future. By setting realistic goals, you pave the way for lasting success. A helpful framework for setting investment goals is the SMART acronym. This method ensures that your goals are well-defined and structured, making it easier to achieve them and stay on track. By following this approach, you can create a solid foundation for your financial future. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in effective goal setting, providing a clear roadmap to follow. This structured approach helps in breaking down complex financial aspirations into manageable steps. Let's break down each element in detail to understand how they contribute to successful goal setting and long-term financial success. By examining each component, you can see how they interconnect to form a comprehensive strategy. Specific, clearly define what you want to achieve. A specific goal has a much greater chance of being accomplished than a general one, as it provides a clear direction. This clarity helps in focusing your efforts and resources effectively. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save for retirement," specify, "I want to save $500,000 for retirement by the age of 65. This clarity helps in planning. It allows you to create a detailed plan and take actionable steps towards your goal. Measurable. Quantify your goals with specific numbers. This allows you to track your progress and make necessary adjustments along the way, ensuring you stay on course. Regularly measuring your progress keeps you informed and motivated. By having measurable goals, you can see how far you've come and how much further you need to go, which keeps you motivated and focused. It also helps in identifying any gaps or areas that need more attention. Achievable. Ensure your goals are realistic and attainable given your financial resources and time frame. Setting unattainable goals can lead to frustration and discouragement, derailing your efforts. It's important to challenge yourself, but also to be practical. relevant. Your goals should align with your overall financial objectives and life aspirations. They should be meaningful and have a significant impact on your life, driving you forward. Relevance ensures that your goals are worth pursuing and contribute to your broader vision. Time-bound. Set deadlines for your goals to create a sense of urgency and accountability. Having a clear timeline helps you stay focused and committed to achieving your goals, ensuring timely progress. Deadlines provide a target to aim for and help in maintaining momentum. Assessing your financial landscape. Before setting any investment goals, you need a clear understanding of your financial situation. This includes your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Create a budget to track your cash flow and identify areas where you can save more. Next, assess your risk tolerance. This refers to your comfort level with the possibility of investment losses.